effort, something you have complete control over. If you're not getting the results that you want in life, what does your effort look like? Are you giving everything you got? Are you giving every ounce of your soul for that very thing that you want? Because if your effort don't match your attitude and your actions, nothing's going to come about. If you're not giving maximum effort in life, it's going to translate in the results that you receive. How you do anything is how you do everything. If you giving lack of effort anywhere in your life, it's going to translate, it's going to come into full circle, full play outside the actual activities that you wanted to. Not many people on this planet can flip a switch and start to this change. It don't happen like that. We're not built like that. When things get tough, when things get hard, you're going to revert to your subconscious behaviors. So give effort, man. And if you can't give effort, then do you really want what you say you want? Because if it really means that much to you, you're going to give 1,000+%. So let's stop the excuses and let's start giving maximum